The Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2 is a compelling option in the mid-range tablet market, directly challenging the popular Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. With its large 120Hz display, optional keyboard cover, and stylus, the P11 Gen 2 aims to offer a well-rounded experience for productivity, entertainment, and light gaming. Let's dive into the details to see if it can truly surpass its Samsung rival. Design and build quality. Lenovo has maintained a consistent design with the P11 Gen 2, which looks similar to its other tablets. The back of the device is constructed from 2/3 metal and 1/3 plastic, giving it a sturdy feel. However, the transition from the screen to the body isn't as seamless as seen on many premium tablets. The inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microSD card slot adds to its practicality. The tablet charges via USB-C 2.0 port, though it doesn't support external monitors. The 8MP front-facing camera, while functional, is a bit blurrier compared to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, but the 13MP main camera performs well and is comparable to Samsung's offering. Display. The P11 Gen 2 features an 11.5-inch display with a resolution of 2000 x 1200 pixels. While this resolution is typical for 10-inch tablets in this price range, the larger screen size means the pixel density is slightly lower, resulting in noticeable pixelation, especially when using the stylus up close. However, the display excels with its stable viewing angles and impressive 120Hz refresh rate, which makes animations and scrolling appear smooth. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite only supports a 60Hz refresh rate. Audio and multimedia. Equipped with 4 speakers, the P11 Gen 2 delivers loud and decent sound quality, making it an excellent choice for media consumption. It supports within 1 lira, allowing HD playback on streaming services like Netflix and YouTube. This tablet is well suited for watching videos, making it a strong contender for those prioritizing entertainment. Keyboard and stylus. An optional keyboard cover can be purchased, and it significantly enhances the tablet's usability for productivity tasks. The keyboard, though made entirely of plastic and somewhat cheap-feeling, provides a comfortable typing experience with its larger size, due to the 11.5-inch display. The touchpad, while small, is functional. The keyboard cover includes a flip stand and a stylus loop, adding to its practicality. The Lenovo Precision Pen 2 is an active stylus that offers a decent drawing and writing experience. However, it falls short when compared to the Samsung S Pen, particularly in precision and overall performance. Samsung software features for the S Pen also surpass what Lenovo offers, making the S6 Lite a better choice for those heavily reliant on stylus input. Performance. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, the P11 Gen 2 is available with either 4GB or 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage with an LTE option. In benchmark tests, it slightly outperforms the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and is significantly faster than its predecessor, the first P11. However, it doesn't match the performance of more expensive models, like the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2 or the Xiaomi Pad 5 and Pad 6. Software. Running on Android 12L, a tablet-optimized version of Android, the P11 Gen 2 offers a clean and efficient user experience. Lenovo promises updates up to Android 14, ensuring some level of future-proofing. The software includes features for the stylus and a productivity mode, though the latter had some initial bugs that have since been addressed. Battery life. The P11 Gen 2's battery life is somewhat underwhelming, lasting around 6 hours in a continuous HD YouTube playback test at maximum brightness, with the display set to 120Hz. Lowering the refresh rate to 60Hz should extend the battery life. Conclusion. The Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2 is a strong contender in the budget tablet market. It offers a high refresh rate display, good build quality, and a useful keyboard cover, making it an excellent choice for productivity and entertainment. However, for those who prioritize stylus functionality and precision, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite remains the better option. If you're looking for an affordable Android tablet with solid performance and multimedia capabilities, the Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2 is definitely worth considering.